Been tracking a lot of damage across Montgomery County. DC News knows Daniel Hamburg has been all over Montgomery County. He joins us live in Montgomery Village. Daniel, what can we see behind you? There's a big old tree in front of that house.
Oh, Ben, we are on Seneca Ridge Court here, and you can see, of course, this big tree behind us that actually came from behind this house. You can see the much damage on the roof there. The homeowner's telling me they've lived here for 50 years and have never had this happen before. Thankfully, no one was hurt inside, but it did badly damage the roof as it came down. Now, elsewhere in Montgomery County today, this is Tuckerman Lane near Lancelot Drive. A tree came down on this two-lane road, blocking one lane, and it took several power lines down with it, certainly causing some traffic backups with drivers trying to maneuver around it. And check out this damage in Germantown at Rembrandt Street and Magnolia Way off Frederick Road. A tree fell down on trailer homes, taking wires down. One family is now displaced. We talked with a man who helped that family get out without any injuries.
More concern was when I heard the noise stop on my roof, like bang, and then it was really loud noise. So I went out, and then I look outside, and then I see branches, by my window, and then that's when I ran more to the house to see if everybody was okay. But they was crying and shaking. They was scared. The kid was scared.
So you saw there he had that Red Cross blanket draped around him. The Red Cross is helping him and that other family with a hotel tonight, as well as some other necessities. Meanwhile, here in Montgomery Village, a tree crew just came here to park a truck, and as soon as it becomes light outside, they're going to remove that tree from the roof here so that the family here can then start trying to put a tarp on it and, of course, eventually repair it. We're live in Montgomery Village. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.